If you've got savings and you're planning to move to the UK and you want to quit your job by building a property income fast, but you don't know who to trust or where to start, then this video is for you, because let's be honest, most people in your position are either getting scammed or they're stuck in an overpriced mentorship that doesn't care about you. You waste months or years overthinking and trying to do it yourself. But if you watch this video until the end, you'll know exactly what I'd do if I was you, step by step, and how to avoid all the mistakes, move fast, safely, and make money. So let's talk about the most common scenario. You've been watching YouTube videos for ages. Let's say you got some savings. Let's say you got 50k, 80k, or even £100,000. You're thinking of moving to the UK to invest, or maybe you're already here and you know you've got a good amount of money to invest and you don't want to keep working your current job forever. So you want to build an income through property. But then the problem is you start researching and you get completely overwhelmed. There's coaches everywhere. You hear about rent to rent, serviced accommodation, HMO, social housing, BRRRRR, deal sourcing. You don't know which one to pick. That's the problem. That's the next problem. So you reach out to a few mentors. They all seem to be saying the same thing, charging 10, 15, 20, 25,000, even sometimes £35,000 for a mentorship, for a group program where you would just be another number. Or maybe you even joined one of them already to dip your toe in, but you just bought like a PDF course. Or maybe they told you to find a property and then left you to it. Sound familiar? Because that's quite common. So here's the problem. You pick the wrong strategy for your situation, but you could quite easily burn 10 to 20,000 pounds without even realizing, just by choosing the wrong strategy. Or if you work with the wrong mentor, you'll get sold a dream and then ignored. And if you try and do it all yourself because you've jumped into that, you'll probably waste months and years learning the hard way, or someone else takes a deal that you could have got. You spend a good amount of money and then you're almost stubborn, like, no, this has to work now. That's okay if you are going to make it work. So let me tell you what you actually need to build property income fast and not getting scammed. You need three very clear things. And that's a clear strategy that matches your goals, budget, and time. A personalized step-by-step roadmap with support so you never feel stuck. Accountability and speed. Things can be urgent, so you need to move faster than your competition. That's it. You don't need to pay someone £5,000 to source a deal for you that you won't know how to manage because you've just paid for it. You won't know how to fish. So learn how to find deals yourself. Learn how to analyze deals. You can still buy deals, just learn how to analyze them first. You don't need a fancy office like this or 100 properties, 10 properties in the first year. You definitely do not need a mentor who disappears the moment you pay them. So here's how we help people like you win. We don't just dump a few videos on you and disappear. It's not a Zoom presentation on teaching you how to do property. This is, okay, this needs to be dealt with now. Let's deal with it now. I help you pick the right strategy. If it's rent to rent you're interested in, I'll analyze your location, ask you your goals, your income goals as well. Where do you want to be in 12 months' time? What challenges do you have in your personal life that might hold you back in a certain strategy? You know, we've got HMOs, serviced accommodation, deal sourcing, social housing. It needs to be based on your lifestyle and budget. We help you find and negotiate your first deal. Set up all of the systems to make it as passive as possible. Introducing virtual assistants and part-time property managers to make it as passive as possible. A lot of our mentees replace their income within the first 6 months, not years. Some even hit 3k in the first 2 to 3 months. The main reason this works is because we only work with 4 students a month. That's it. We only take on 4 people a month. That means you're not lost in a crowd. You're not waiting weeks to get your questions answered. You're not stuck on a boring Zoom waiting to get a word in with 50 to 100 other people. It's just you, me, and my team working directly with you to hit your goals, holding you accountable. So if you're serious, if you've actually been watching my videos for months, you've been thinking about this for years, then you should be ready to finally take action. It's just you're holding yourself back, giving yourself excuses not to move forward. Book a call with me. Link in description. I'll personally help you figure it out. The right strategy for your situation, the roadmap to replace your income. And we'll work out whether you're the right fit for my mentorship. And if you're not ready yet, that's fine too. But if you are, then let's get you moving before someone else takes your deal. Because there's an opportunity cost for everything. For every 3 months you don't start, that's £1,000 profit per month lost. Many people look at currency. What's the type of currencies there are in life? And everybody's attracted to the money currency. But the biggest one is time. Time is the only currency you can't get back. So don't waste it on another year scrolling on social media, thinking about whether you want to start this or not. So if you're ready to build real income in property, especially rent to rent, with any strategy, fast, with full support, click the link below and let's talk.